Parsian Machine Saz in Tabriz. Parsian Concrete Block Machinery. Parsian company with 40 years production background of manufacturing concrete block machinery and with experienced staff has taken a step to answer the urgent needs of different countries for the importance of construction, urban texture and beautification, development of technology and construction field and strengthening against natural disasters like floods, earthquake and the other unpredictable events. The process of constructing product, curbstone block pavement flower box, consist of 4 different steps. Step 1. The preparation of raw material for importing to the machine. The material has been transferred from the depot to the weighing system for weight distribution by loader. The raw material and cement weighing system is automatically done by operator and transmitted into the mixer feeders. The weighing materials are loaded into the mixer and the mixing of the materials and water injection is performed according to the humidity sensor. Step 2. After the transmitting of prepared raw material into the packet, the second step begins. At this step the vibration and the compression into the product is done by the mold on the machine. The floors of the product which needs to transfer to the curing system is done by finger car. In curing room, the steaming operation is done according to the standard diagrams until the concrete is made. Step 3. After curing operation, the third step begins. The product has been tested by the laboratory unit for compressive strength, flexural strength, abrasion resistance and water resistance. Step 4. Packing stage and presentation to the target market. After passing all standard criteria, the product enter to the packing line and ready to present in the market. Thanks for watching.